Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the new AWS Management Console. Several students have reached out and mentioned that, of course, the AWS has changed the console. So this is a helpful lecture where I'm going to demonstrate where to go and find services. Obviously, the services are the same, but just the UI, the user interface, has changed a little bit. So once you log in to the AWS Management Console, you are now going to see this particular screen. So it's divided into two sections. The first one is the AWS services on your left, and now you can simply and easily find the service that you're looking for. So for instance, if you're looking for any of these services, let's say S3, simply type S3 and this is going to give you the drop down menu, and you can simply click on S3 Glacier or S3 Storage and so forth. So this is one way where you can go ahead and simply find the service you're looking for. If you're looking for, let's say, billing management console, just simply click on or type the word billing. It's going to give you the drop down. So this is much easier, right? Previously, it was just a clutter, so to speak, with all of these tools displayed on one single screen, but now they've simplified this. Well, yes, if you're used to the previous screen or the previous management console, this may take you a little while to get used to it, but this is much simpler. The second aspect, if I scroll down, you'll notice it has different sections such as build a solution. So you can get started with simple wizards and automated workflows. So this part where it says build a solution contains different tools, such as launching a virtual machine, building a web app, registering a domain, and so on. So again, they have also categorized in the newer AWS Management Console. If I scroll further down, learn to build. So if you're looking to build websites, if you're looking to build machine learning models, big data analytics, then this section would apply to that requirement. So just to give you an idea of the newer management console. On the right side, you'll still have the access resources to go, or you can explore the AWS additional tools and services, and you can learn more about them as well. So much simpler interface as compared to the previous one. You can also expand by clicking on see more in any one of these categories, right? So give you additional tools. Similarly, learn to build, you can click on build with SDKs or use one of these tools as well. So for example, let me demonstrate one of these. If I were to, let's say, do a machine learning model or tool, so simply go ahead and click on machine learning, and this will navigate you directly to that page. Now from here on out, you can then take a look at what exactly you're looking for and get started. So let's go back. Perfect. If you need to look at all of the services, by the way, if you do not wish to use any of these categories, simply click on all services, expand all services, and you will see under compute, you'll have all the tools. Under management governance, you'll have all of these tools. And of course, AWS continues to add additional tools, such as Control Tower. AWS Chatbot is now under management governance. Previously, some of these tools were not. So you will find several changes within these tool set as well. Similarly, security, identity, and compliance. So if I scroll down, you'll see all of these services for machine learning. Let's say if you're building a DevOps pipeline, then you're looking at the developer tools. So you can navigate a couple of ways, right? You can take a look at all of these services or simply search for a service that you're looking. So in this short lesson, just wanted to demonstrate quickly the newer changes or the newer AWS Management Consoles. Feel free to reach out with any questions. I'll be happy to answer. And with this, let's move to the next lesson.